In this section, we are going to install a flush mount loudspeaker into an existing drywall ceiling. The loudspeaker we are using is a DMX 1525. This and other similar designs allow the installation to be completed after the drywall has been installed. There are certainly risks involved when cutting holes without being able to see what is behind the drywall. Locate the general area where you want to install the loudspeaker. Using a stub finder will help to locate potential problems immediately behind the drywall. However, other obstacles may prove to exist once the hole has been made. If possible, try to survey the area above the ceiling either from an adjacent space that may allow ceiling access or by lifting ventilation diffusers. In this installation, we are going to use a rotozip cutting tool to cut the hole to the desired diameter. Insert the C-ring that supports and distributes the weight of the loudspeaker around the perimeter of the hole. Do not fail to install the support. Like tile supports in a drop tile ceiling, this ring is mandatory to help prevent the loudspeaker from falling. Set the tap setting to the specified level and terminate the wire. Raise the loudspeaker into the ceiling and tighten each of the support arms down with a drill or screwdriver. Ensure that the grill is installed securely. Remove any fingerprints with a damp cloth and you are complete.